Okay. This is a little hard to do, not gonna lie. Hey guys, it's me Dot, and I am back with another video. This time trying something I've honestly never tried before in my life. That would be a protein treatment. I'm using the Aphogee protein treatment system. This is the shampoo for damaged hair. Ooh, read me, okay. And then the two-step protein treatment, serious care and protection, and then the balance and moisturizer. So that was just a lot, but y'all get it. I'm doing a protein treatment. So apparently the instructions are simple. It doesn't look simple to me. I'm just gonna shampoo with the shampoo first because I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. And I'm gonna shampoo with the shampoo first. And then I'm gonna get out, and apparently you're supposed to put the protein treatment on put the protein treatment on first and let it dry completely. And it's supposed to get like really, really hard. And then you rinse it out. I think you rinse it, not wash it out. Re-wet, gently rinse, warm water. Remove all excess dried protein. Towel dry. T-shirt dry. Not putting a towel on this. And then, yeah, okay, so you put this side on there, let it dry completely, and then rinse it out with warm water and put the balance and moisturizer on there like a leave-in, and that's apparently it. So we're gonna see what happens here. So Dot, why are you doing a protein treatment? What made you want to do one now? Well, I don't know. My hair is looking a mess, as y'all can see, and it's pretty dry. And this says that it's supposed to helps restore softness and elasticity to dry, brittle hair. Helps to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed. So I'm gonna follow the directions. And the first one is to wash my hair. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all where I am. Okay guys, I am back and out of the shower with nothing on my hair and everything sectioned out. And I guess I'm gonna start putting the protein treatment in there now. Apply enough Aphogee treatment to saturate hair and comb blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Okay. Okay, it's all in there, and I look a mess right now, and it's really sticky and messy, and I don't know if it's me that's messy or the thing that's messy, but it's in there. And now I'm supposed to dry it and not comb through it anymore. So far I'm not a fan, but we're gonna see. So now my hair is super hard, and I'm definitely not a fan of this so far. I probably could have used another pack, but we're just gonna talk about that later. But now I'm gonna go rinse it out, because now it says rinse it with warm water. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back and put the, no, actually I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it and then put the moisturizer in there, because that's the next step. And I'm gonna come back and tell y'all what I think, because we're not gonna prolong this, because I already don't think I'm enjoying this. So we're gonna just get this over with. I'll be back. So I'm back with the balancing moisturizer in, and it is really soft. The balancing moisturizer is really soft. My hair is really soft. I'm supposed to rinse it out in 2 minutes, so I'm probably gonna go do that sometime soon. But I wish I could say that this was some life-changing experience. Really wasn't. It was in my mouth. Yeah, it really wasn't. But I'm not really sure how it's changed my hair. I don't think I've gotten a good feel for how it's changed my hair yet. But I'm gonna go rinse this out and probably put some leave-in in it, just so I can go to bed tonight. It's really late. But I'll come back tomorrow morning and update you guys, let you guys know how I feel, what I would have done different, all that kind of stuff. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, boom. So I'm back and I'm ready to tell y'all what I think. Well, it is the next day, kind of like the afternoon, because I may or may not have gotten up late. But I deep conditioned last night after I rinsed all of the protein treatment and the balancing moisturizer out. I deep conditioned, and then this morning I got up, rinsed my deep conditioner out, put leave-in in, and brushed everything back, and now here we are. So Daut, how'd you feel about the protein treatment? So I did all of that last night because I literally could not stand how my hair felt after. The balancing moisturizer made my hair really soft. Well, I wouldn't say really soft, but softer than it was with the protein treatment in it, obviously. But then after I rinsed the moisturizer out, it was still kind of like tough. And I was like, oh, I don't like this. So I decided to deep condition. And then even after I rinsed my deep conditioner out this morning, my hair still felt different. Like not super bad, but not as soft as usual when I put the deep conditioner in it. And it was just weird. I don't know how I felt about it. But so then I put this leave-in in, and everything is okay right now. But I guess it's because the leave-in's in it. But what I will say, something I did like about it, is that I did feel like it reduced a little bit of breakage and shedding. Because as I was detangling, I'm gonna go get my little thing. I'll be back. As I was detangling, this is all the hair that came out. I don't know if y'all can see that. But, and I don't know if that looks like a lot to y'all or not, but to me, that is not a lot at all. And that's great. And that's from detangling after rinsing the balancing moisturizer out, after the deep conditioner, and after the leave-in. I detangled in between all of those, and that's all that came out. So that's a pretty big difference to me, if you ask me. So I guess it worked in that way. My hair does feel a little bit stronger. It just feels different in texture. Like the texture feels a little bit weird, like coarser, but it also feels stronger. So I don't know how to feel about that yet. But if I had to do this again, which I might try it again, but if I do this again, some things that I will do differently is, one, I'll get another pack of the stuff, because sometimes I underestimate how much hair I have, because it's a lot. It might not look like a lot, but it's a lot. So next time I would probably get 2 packs, because I think I also could have put more of the balancing moisturizer in it as well. And then next time I'll also probably put the protein treatment in a spray bottle for easier like distribution, because it was runny and I didn't expect it to be like liquidy and like kind of like water. So next time I'll probably put it in a spray bottle so that I can evenly distribute it a little bit better. And maybe I'll get it more even coverage that way. But that's all I have for this video. If you stay to the end, you're obviously the bomb.com. I'm about to go do something else to my hair. I don't know, because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this all week. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.